Okay, start recording now. So this is the sketch that you should create. Okay, you have two rectangles. You need to create two rectangles and then provide the dimension constraint. So right after that, then just finish sketching. So extrude this profile, this two profile to 1.5, right? 1.5. Then click OK. Okay, class. No problem, right? On this, it's pretty easy for you. Okay, the idea is, please have a look on the drawing given to you. You have radius 0.75 here, similarly to here, the bottom part itself. So actually these two parts will be what you call the fillet, right? Fillet. So that's why when you create your sketch in Inventor, we ignore that particular fillet. Okay, then we can easily perform the fillets using 3D features here. Okay, fillet. That's the whole idea. So fillet, just go to fillet list class. So fillet is just beside hole. So the first inputs that we should provide will be the radius. We want to change it to 0.75. Okay, please change your radius to 0.75. And previously during the first day, I think we try on the features, right? But now select mode, you ensure that it's edge. Okay, so we are going to select edges. So click on the pencil over here. The pencil over here. Now currently is 0 selected, you see. So please click to turn it into the arrow. And this will enable us to select edges. Okay, so I would like to click on these edges. You see, there's one edges that turn into the fillet itself already. Once selected, then you can continue, make a selection, click another one. You will see it turned into the fillet itself. No need for you to actually create an arch when you create your sketching. Okay, then you should continue again since you have the same radius for this bottom part also. Okay, you see 3 selected, and we should end the process here, another fillets. Okay, so in a total, you have 4 edges been selected with the radius of 0.75. So click on apply. Okay, so click on apply and cancel. So in isometric view, so you will see we have completed this particular rounded, okay, circular edges here, fillet. So it's pretty easy, right? If you do it like this. Any problems so far on this? Do you encounter any problem?
No, sir.
No, right? Okay, so hopefully you can grab the idea of it. Okay, so the next one will be, you will see it. You have 2 holes. Holes. So holes also is the added features in Inventor, so you can perform that easily using a 3D features here, which is holes here. Holes. Okay, so just go to hole, please. So in a previous exercise, you will be exposed to what you call the linear placement hole. So now you have a circular shape. So I'm going to introduce you to another type of hole creation, which is the circular placement. Okay, so the first step will be the same actually. You need to define the surface for your hole. So the surface can be here, or you can rotate your view to this side, okay, where you want to actually create the holes. So for example, on this side, I just click on the surface. You see they will ask for, if the one linear, you provide 2 lines, 2 reference line as the reference. So if you have a circular shape, you can have what you call the concentric holes. Okay, so rather than clicking on two lines, you can select fillet or arch, okay, or circular shape to become the reference. So once you click on this this fillet itself, actually here, you select this one or this one, the center point of your hose, it will have the same center point as this arch or fillet. So right now it's over here, you see. So I click on this one as my reference. So you see it will go straight away to the center point of this fillet. Okay, so the only concern now will be we want to provide the diameter or radius. So in this case, what's the diameter, please? What's the diameter?
1 inch.
0.75, right? You have two holes, radius, if you look at the drawing here, two holes, actually it's four holes here, it will be the same holes, right? 1 and 2, two holes, radius 3.75. So if you have 3.75 times 2, what do you have? 0.75, right? Okay, so you have the diameter of 0.75 here. So once you are done with the first hole, please click OK. Please click OK. So you have the first hole here. So similarly, you can create the second hole using the previous steps here. So first will be to select the surface. So just now you can actually rotate your features and then you select this surface. Otherwise, if you pick on this surface, also no problem on the top surface here. So select your surface. The second step will be to provide your reference. So now is you refer to the fillet, the circular edges. So I would like the center point to have the same center point as this fillet. Click. Okay. So create a concentric. Concentric. So you will have the same diameter here, and then click OK. So once you are done with your features, so it's always the best to check on the height property. What is the mass value to ensure that you get all the dimensions and all those creations correct. So physical wise, so what's your answer for the mass, please? Any one of you? What's the answer for your mass?
0.141.
0.141 kilogram. LB kan?
LB.
Okay. If kilogram, that means you open up a wrong files in the matrix form. So as I've been mentioned to you before, there will be no way to convert from English to matrix or matrix or versa. So up there, 0.141 LB.